Hey everyone, welcome to the Better Sites Webflow library. My name is Nicholas, and in this video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to get started with Better Sites to ship your next Webflow project smarter and faster than ever before. So once you get here to Better Sites, the first thing you're going to want to do is sign up for a Better Sites account. Now, I already have a Better Sites account, so I'm going to skip ahead through that part. If you don't have one, head over to our pricing and get signed up. Once you do have an account, you'll see this components button up in here. And this is where you're going to start having full access to everything. First thing we're going to want to do is actually clone our style guide. The style guide is going to give you all of the classes in Webflow to make sure our components actually copy correctly into your project. So once you're here, the first thing we're going to do is click over here in this clone in Webflow button. You'll see this. You'll hit create site. We'll call it my new site. Perfect. Hit create site. And here we are. We are officially starting your Webflow build. So you're probably wondering exactly what you need to do from here. This is the same question that most people have, and that's exactly what we're going to be diving to in this video. So to give you the lay of the land, in the style guide, you're going to have two pages. You're going to have your home page and your style guide right here. Let's break down our home page structure so you can get started off on the right foot. In this video, I'm assuming you already know a little bit about Webflow. If you don't, I highly recommend using the Webflow University. They have amazing courses, and they can walk you through exactly how to use Webflow itself to not only style your components, but also make your site as pretty as possible. So to give you the lay of the land a little bit here, we're going to click over to the navigator. And this is where you're going to see all of your different elements. So in Better Sites, we use the FinSuite client-first design system. All of our components are built that way to help you have a better project. Page structure-wise, this is what you should be building with. So every page should have a page wrapper, global styles, and then a main wrapper. The main wrapper is where you're going to be housing all of your elements on your page, except for your navigation bar and your footer. Those will go in your page wrapper and around your main wrapper. So in our main wrapper here, we can go ahead and delete these. We don't need those anymore. But we're going to leave this as our blank canvas for moving forward. In our style guide over here, now this is where you're going to have all of your elements, your typography, your buttons, colors, stuff like that. So I'll let you scroll here. This is where all of your classes are going to live. So for example, if we want to go here and change our heading style H1, you can come over here, change this, change it to any one of these. Maybe you want to use let's say you want to use Oswald. This is going to change this font for all of these. Again, I'm not going to go into how to use Webflow and the class structure. The Webflow University is perfect for that. But if you did want to do that, then you'd be able to do that. So we're going to go ahead and delete or go back there. Perfect. So let's go back over to our homepage, and I'll start walking you through exactly how to build out the perfect homepage. So we're going to go back over here to our All Components tab over here in the Better Sites library. And if you haven't already built a website and it's your first time, I highly recommend actually using our Education Center up here. We do have a bunch of good resources in there to help you out and build better sites properly. Check back often there as well. We will be releasing more resources there to help you build out different sections of the site, different pages, so you can build with confidence. But for this one, we're going to be starting off with our homepage. Better Sites is built to give you as much flexibility around how to build as possible. So everything is built to be as modular as possible, but the basic way you want to be thinking about things is over here through our categories. So if we think about navigation or hero sections, features, any of those, you'll be able to filter through the Better Sites library with this to help you find the exact section you need for any given part of your website. So let's get started. Let's say we want to look at a navigation. We'll just grab a simple one here. We'll look at navigation 1. All we need to do is copy to Webflow, just like that. We'll head back over here. We'll go in here, page wrapper, paste it, and we're up there. Now you'll have your actual navigation bar in here, and you can go in and actually change your buttons. You can change your links. You can change all of this. What Better Sites is giving you is it's giving you the ability to have the framework there so you can go and mold this to your site. You can style it to your site. So we'll start with our nav bar. Great. We'll go back over here to Better Sites library. And let's say we're looking for a hero section. That's going to be our first thing we want to do. I'm going to link in this video in the description a link over to our homepage building guide where you can learn exactly how to build a high-performing homepage step by step and section by section. But for this one, we're just going to start here. Let's look at Hero 3. Looks pretty cool. We'll start there. Something simple. So in order to get this in there, just like with our navigation, we're going to copy this over. We're going to head over here. We're going to drop this one into our main wrapper though. Perfect. Let's go back. And let's say we need a feature section now. Click over here on feature. Let's look at, we'll get a marquee. You'll like a good marquee. Go ahead and copy that. Perfect. Head back over to our main wrapper. And we'll hit paste. Perfect. So I'm not going to go any further for this video. You don't need to see this. But if you do have any questions about how to build in Webflow, again, reference the Webflow University. If you have any questions about Better Sites or how to find the perfect component, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Also, make sure you join the Slack community. We do have a Slack community of Better Sites users and our founding team. So make sure you're in there. If you do have questions, message myself, Nicholas, or one of our other members anytime. Post in there, share, ask questions. We're always happy to help you. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll be releasing a lot of these to help you build out better sites. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button.